In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic list view in Salesforce. This process is simple, intuitive, and will greatly enhance your ability to manage and visualize your data efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into Salesforce. Once you're in, navigate over to the App Launcher, which is an essential starting point for accessing the diverse array of functionalities that Salesforce offers. This tool is the gateway to managing your database with ease and efficiency right at your fingertips. Next, you'll head over to the Object tab. This could be accounts, contacts, or any other object you're working with. This step is crucial because it forms the basis of your list view by focusing on the specific type of data you wish to analyze. By selecting the appropriate object, you ensure that you're viewing and managing the right set of information. Once you're on the right object page, you'll notice a small gear icon on the page. This is known as the list view controls. Go ahead and click on this icon. A menu will appear, and you should select New from this drop-down. This step initiates the process of creating a new list view, setting the stage for personalizing how you see and interact with your data. Now, it's time to enter a name for your list view. It's helpful to choose a name that is descriptive and clear, as this will make it easy for you and others to identify the list view's purpose at a glance. After naming your list, you need to decide who can see it. You have options here. You can keep it private, make it public, or share it with specific groups. This choice will depend on your use case and the confidentiality of the data. Then we move on to setting filters for your list view. This is where the dynamic aspect really comes alive. Use criteria that will allow the list to update automatically as your data changes. For example, you might filter to show records where the owner is the current user, or where the created date is this month. These dynamic criteria ensure that the list view remains relevant and up to date, reflecting the most current and actionable data. Finally, once you've set your filters, simply click Done. This finalizes your setup, making your new dynamic list view operational. Now, your list view will automatically update based on the filter conditions you set, giving you the power to manage your information smarter and more efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic list view in Salesforce. This tool is a powerful way to keep track of your data as it changes and grows. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy data managing.